Hello, Brian Knowlton back with another super cool slide rule tutorial. In this tutorial we will check the operation of a reversing valve. A reversing valve changes the flow of refrigerant in a heat pump application. The way we test this is with a temperature clamp. First, with the unit running, we allow it to run for 5 to 10 minutes for it to stabilize. Once it is stabilized, we start by checking the temperature of the hot gas line as shown here with the temperature clamp. Once this temperature has stabilized, we test the tubes on the bottom. Now, with the temperature clamp, if we get a reading, the reading that we receive on the lower tubes must be let's say for instance right now we have hot gas here and hot gas on this circuit. We are looking for plus or minus 5 degrees of whatever this temperature is. So if this temperature, let's say, is for instance 200 degrees, this one must be 195 degrees or 205 degrees. Once we've established that, we check the other two tubes. Once again, we are looking for a temperature swing of no more than 5 degrees. So if the temperature on this one is, let's say, 50 degrees, the temperature on this one would need to be 45 to 55 degrees. If the temperature differential is larger than 5 degrees, most likely you have a bad reversing valve. But you may also have a bad compressor. Weak compressors will give very much the same symptoms as a bad reversing valve. So if you do have more than the 5 degree differential, also check the compressor. Go to our tutorial titled Compressor Testing Operation. Look at that, watch that tutorial to eliminate that possibility. This is all there is to testing a reversing valve. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Please stay tuned for a brief introduction of the super cool slide rule. Historically, technicians have carried 4 or 5 different slide rules. You have one for R22, one for R410A, one for metal duct sizing, one for flexible duct sizing, and yet others for diagnostics or troubleshooting. Thankfully, those days are gone. This one tool will allow you to charge a system with R22 or R410A in either the superheater subcooling method. The back cover contains required formulas. It has capacitors, rules, and practices, a wet bulb conversion chart, how to perform computations on series or parallel circuits, an electric heat strip guide, a complete system troubleshooting diagnostic chart, and how to troubleshoot compressors in TXV. Inside is packed with even more information. It performs sizing of both metal and flexible duct. It has the only direct reading conversion from smooth metal to insulation lined metal we've ever seen. The majority of technicians have never been taught that if the insulation is on the inside of the ductwork, you cannot size it with a regular duct calculator. It has step-by-step directions for determining airflow through a gas furnace, electric furnace, or an air conditioning unit. It has pressure drop multipliers for ductwork, as well as recommended velocities. And finally, the scanning of this QR code gives instant access to over 100 tutorials to assist the technician with every test and repair imaginable. You owe it to yourself, as well as your customers, to own this tool. It's less than $20 including shipping. The Super Cool will save you countless hours of frustration when troubleshooting units. Log on to our website and get one today, and I promise you will be a better technician tomorrow. And remember, every technician is only as good as their tools. Thanks for watching.